Every year, millions of students graduate from colleges with the hope of making a successful career in the construction industry. Let us hear what challenges are faced by freshers.
It was during my internship that I realized how little we knew about how the industry actually works. There were multiple departments that needed to be coordinated with, which was quite challenging at the beginning. The whole industry seemed to have technical references which only the graduates could not understand.
It's not easy for a fresher to get comfortable out there in a job or an internship very easily. That is because we in our graduations will have excelled in our theoretical knowledge, wherein a job or an internship we will be needing more of a practical work knowledge.
There are also many students who are unable to make an entry into the industry. Now, let us look at the current global construction industry scenario to understand it better. The world economy is changing faster than ever. The global construction industry is projected to grow faster than any other industry in the near future.
The first tower in Dubai was built with Dubai World Trade Center. There was just one building in that entire stretch of 30-kilometer road. Since 2000, if you were to look at the same location, you would find more than 2,000 buildings built right now in 2020.
The need for skilled jobs is in great demand. There are many fresh career opportunities available in the construction industry. Let's hear it from the industry experts and recruiters on the challenges they face when they hire a fresher for the job.
The biggest challenge we face in our industry is there's a huge gap between what is taught in our schools and universities and what is really required on the field. One major mistake that students make when they're at the university is they really don't get interested in subjects which actually deal with real world situations. So topics like business practice, professional practice, building construction, civil engineering, these kind of topics which are actually more related to on-ground experience.
On getting the right skill for the job, my experience is quite challenging. We expect the person we hire to know proper sequence of construction activity like quantity takeoff, procurement of material and planning of site activity.
Most people who freshly came out from school, they usually thought they know everything. When they, especially the first few months, they start working, they realize their dream and reality is way apart. I spend a lot of time trying to educate construction details, things like that, which they don't have any of those experience. It becomes quite tedious and you need to spend lots of time with them.
When we recruit the freshers from college, we need to have a training division and we need to give training on each and every aspect of the practical works and documentation, etc. For blue collar jobs like operators, we always ask for a trade proficiency certificate from consultant, whereas I don't find any trade proficiency certificates for white collar jobs for the staff. It is very helpful if graduates comes with us with the proper training on the industry before joining organization.
Now let us hear the university's perspective, where the future architects and engineers are shaped.
The primary concern of the architectural firms is that the graduates should be profession ready. That means they should have been imparted all the skills and knowledge that are required for a person to join an architectural office. Unfortunately, because of the proliferation of schools all over the country, it has become very difficult for colleges to provide this critical requirement of the architectural profession.
After architecture, I think interior design is the most favored option for students. The school prepares a student wholesomely when it comes to design, whether it's in architecture or interior design. But I think there is a need for some primary basic understanding of interior design itself, which is not taught at schools.
To bridge this gap between the aspirants and industry needs, Avon Tech has designed an online interior construction crash course to help the aspirants to stand out and be industry ready. Let us hear it from the team.
We have designed this course in most comprehensible way for the students and the aspirants with less experience to learn their skills and details at their comfort.
Freshers don't have any idea about the opportunities available in this construction industry other than designing and site work. According to studies, 78% of opportunities are available across different countries. There are many roles like project manager, estimator, contract manager, procurement manager, etc. Avon is focusing on creating the awareness and knowledge in these opportunities. I would like to stress upon the fact that the package for these kind of roles will be equal or sometimes much higher than the regular roles.
We at Avon have been deliberating on the issue on hand in the construction industry specifically. One is that the employers are looking for the people with right skill sets, and the students as well are looking at the best of the opportunities. So we have been doing a lot of study and research on how do we give a win-win situation for both the employees in the industry and the students as well. Keeping this in mind, we have created this course called the Interior Construction Course. Our course has 12 modules which covers topics ranging from the beginning of the project till the time you hand over the project to the client. Be it the detailing of a design, or how to choose the right material and finishes for this design, how do we price this item, then how are we going to procure this item at the right price and give the client the value for money, and even at site, how are we going to install or construct the material using the right technology and methods. How are we going to do all this in a safe way? The way we have designed the modules is that the modules are giving a hands-on experience for the students. The learning is seamless between the theoretical, what you learn in theory, and what you practically implement. We have taken a lot of practical examples. In fact, we have taken a sample project which runs you through the project, like I said, from start to the end. Interior construction course, for an average student, it takes about 4 months to complete, spending about 4 to 5 hours in a week. We have combined various teaching methods, like you have PowerPoint presentations with a detailed voiceover which explains every topic in the subject one by one. And then we have exhaustive reading material, which will explain or will give you more details on the topic that we have covered. We also have some interesting videos. And then at the end of the day, you have a test. Before that, we do summarize what you have studied for the day, and when you take the test or the quiz, it's about 10 minutes where you will recollect all that you have learned and you can gauge what your learning is. The team that has developed the course, we are a team of practicing architects and engineers with an average experience of around 20 to 25 years. So we've been in the industry, we have seen what challenges are there on a day-to-day basis, especially what the freshers or the students who enter the industry are facing.
The hands-on teaching approach by the experts and the right tools will be helpful in shaping up the aspirant's career successfully.
I helped review the content. It's comprehensive. Beyond the design that is taught at school, I think one needs to understand the working of the profession. I think the course is a must for all graduating students and fresh architects who wish to take up interior design as a career option.
To keep up with the changes in the industry and the business environment we are in, the professionals as well as students need to keep upskilling themselves. And this is where I would recommend this course to not just students of architecture or interior design or civil engineering, but any profession in the field who wants to upgrade and upskill, whether it is from the industry or from some other industry who wants to come into this industry and then deliver a good project at the end of the day with proficient skills. So this is where Avon comes in, and I highly recommend this to the professionals and students.
I wanted to be involved in both engineering and execution, and when I finally landed a job in project management, I had insufficient skills to perform. I could not meet the project demands. This is where Avon helped me the most. I learned about project planning, budget, procurement, estimation, and billing. All these skills that I needed to perform in my current role. I would definitely recommend this course for anyone who's freshly graduated or new to the construction industry.
I recommend young graduates to take up this course. It will definitely help them to move into the industry with confidence.
Also for people that's been in the industry for a long time or for a while and still couldn't find their feet where they want to stand, they might very well benefit from this course to understand what will give them their passion into their career.
Being well aware of all these challenges, we have created this course for you, and we are here to help you and excel in your career through our course, Interior Construction course from Avon Tech Academy, and emerge with confidence.
Join Avon Tech Interior Construction course and emerge with confidence.